Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove your fuel tank as well as your evap can using a 13mm socket. Cut out the factory fuel tank crossmember and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Paint the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Our part features 2 side plates to fit between the frame rail and the crossmember. Using the factory crossmember silhouette to help with the alignment, hold the parts up to the frame rail and C-clamp them into place. Once in place, tack weld the plates onto the frame, making sure the crossmember aligns correctly with the side plates. Hold your fuel tank crossmember up to the frame. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the right side of your crossmember to the frame. Use a hammer to tap the left side into place. Once in place, finish tack welding the part onto the frame before welding the part on fully. Step 4. Slide your evap can back onto your crossmember, using the tongue in the center of your crossmember to hold the bracket in place. If the fit is too tight on your evap bracket, you will need to clean up and remove the rust before proceeding to ensure a good fit. With the included hardware, reinstall your evap can using a 13mm socket. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your fuel tank. Then you're done!